Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science fast. Start with a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. Python, with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, is a popular choice for data manipulation and analysis. R is also excellent for statistical computing. Additionally, mastering SQL is crucial for interacting with databases and extracting the data you need for your projects. These foundational skills are the bedrock of a successful data science journey. Next, dive into essential tools and techniques. Data visualization, using libraries like Matplotlib or ggplot2, helps you tell compelling stories with data. Begin your machine learning journey with supervised learning algorithms such as linear regression and decision trees. Remember, data cleaning and preprocessing are vital steps, often consuming up to 80% of a data scientist's time, so practice these extensively. Practical application is key to learning fast. Start working on real-world projects to solidify your understanding and build a robust portfolio. Consider participating in online data science competitions on platforms like Kaggle. They offer excellent learning opportunities. Collaborating with peers on projects can also significantly enhance your problem-solving skills and expose you to diverse approaches, accelerating your learning curve. Data science is a dynamic field, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated with new tools and techniques as they emerge. As you progress, consider specializing in an area that interests you, like natural language processing or computer vision, to deepen your expertise. Networking with other data professionals can also open doors to new insights and career opportunities, fostering ongoing growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.